Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to change your fonts on your Instagram bio. It is very simple to do, so let's go ahead and get started. You will have to have a searching browser app open such as Google or Safari. You will then want to type in IG Fonts, as I already have, igfonts.io. Go ahead and click search. From here, it's going to take you to this page right here. Then at the very top, you can type in whatever your bio, whatever you want it to be. So I'll just put hi. Hi, how are you? From here, you can scroll down and see all the options. So I'll just click this one, for example. Just go ahead and select it. You just need to copy it. Well, copy. And from there, you want to go to your Instagram, click edit profile, change the bio, go ahead and paste what you just copied. And that is how you change your bio. So I hope this video helped, and if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It helps out the channel a lot, and I will see you in the next